Hello guys, welcome to Ask IITians. My name is Gaurav Yadav. I hope you all are doing well, right? So guys, today we'll discuss comparing quantities. Okay, so this is your last session for comparing quantities. Let me just share my screen and let me just summarize the whole chapter we have studied till now, right? Yeah guys, so your chapter comparing quantities is basically for your syllabus. Weightage will be from 7 marks to 8 marks. Okay, so guys, today we'll cover topics successive discount and concepts of multiplying factor of growth and decay related problems, right? Let me just tell you what successive discount means. Okay, suppose you buy and phone. Suppose you buy and phone, right? You buy a phone, and that let's suppose that shopkeep the cost price of that phone maybe 10,000. Suppose, right? And the shopkeeper has mark price, listed price. Mark price is basically your listed price. Maybe suppose what 15,000, listed price is 15,000, and then the shopkeeper gives you this phone at a discount of your suppose 2,000 rupees discount, 2,000 rupees discount. Suppose, right? So the cost will be your 13,000, 2,000 rupee discount, then 13,000. Again he says that if you do buy your credit card, or if you pay by your credit card, then 1,000 more, 1,000 more discount, 1,000 more discount will be what? 12,000 rupees. So the final selling price that it cost, the final selling price of the phone will what? 12,000. Two discounts were given. What? Two discounts were given. 2,000 discount and 1,000 discount. This is what basically you successive discount. Successive discount. Here I have taken just absolute values, right? You will be given percentage. So for just understanding the concept, what successive discount means, right? Phone given, phone some having some certain price that cost price 10,000. That the phone was listed at some certain price, you 15,000. Okay, and then discount was given, successive discount was given. Suppose he gave a discount of 2,000 rupees. Then again he gave you offer like if you pay. Generally shopkeepers do. If you pay via credit card or via any digital payment, you will be given some thousand discount more. Okay, so this is what you final SP. And so I think you got the point that you successive discount. We'll do question based on it, right? And concept of multiplying factor for growth and decay related problems will do later. So guys, just let me summarize the whole chapter. Okay, comparing quantities. Let me just summarize the chapter, what comparing quantity is and what we have studied till now. Right? In comparing quantities, I think this point is clear that your item or your any the item you bought has some cost price, your manufactured price, okay, and then it goes into the market and it becomes listed, listed at higher price, that is marked price, and then after certain discount it becomes selling price, right? This is how your chart follows. So yeah, after market price you do a selling price, then some discount is given. If you cost price there, then and selling price, then your profit can be done or loss can be done. Basically, this chart follows in this way, right? So let us study what profit means. Profit is what profit is. Profit is when you have bought some item at your low price and just sold it at your higher price. So basically, your profit is your selling price minus cost price. I think the point is clear. Profit is what your selling price minus your cost price. What loss is? Loss is basically your cost price minus your selling price. When you will got loss, let's suppose if you have bought an item for your 1,000 rupees, right? And you have sold it at your 800 rupees. So it means you have a loss of what? Loss of 200 rupees. Loss of 200 rupees. Bought it or not, you have your loss of 200 rupees, right? And if the same, if you have bought it at 1,000 rupees and you have sold it at what? Sold it at suppose 1,300 rupees. Then profit of you have a profit of what? Profit of 300 rupees. How 300 came? Just 1,300 minus 1,000. Selling price minus cost price. How loss came? Loss came means in loss, in profit, SP is greater than CP. In loss, CP, your cost price is greater than same price. I think these points are clear. Okay. Then comes profit percentage. Profit percentage is calculated over CP. Profit divided by your cost price multiplied what? Multiplied by 100, right? And the same way, loss percentage is what? Your loss divided by cost price multiplied what? Multiplied by 100. Okay. These are basically your formulas for your loss percent. Okay. And then comes discount. Then comes discount. Discount is your market price minus selling price. Right? Like we have already taken example. Your market price was 15,000 and your selling price was 13,000. So you have given a discount of 2,000, right? So, so, yeah. And if you talk about discount percentage, is basically what discount divided by what? Divided by market price multiplied 100. This is what your discount percentage means. Your discount divided by market price multiplied 100, right? So till now we have all studied these formulas and we have already done questions based on it, right? So now we study a new concept that is your successive discount, right, guys? So yeah, successive discount is a discount offer on the discount. It is similar to compound interest, interest on interest, right? So let us take an example. Let us take an example. Suppose an book or book was and book was marked listed price was 1,000 rupees. Book listed price was 1,000 rupees, right? And successive discounts were given. Successive discounts were given. of what of, let's suppose that 20% and 30%, right? Successive discounts were given 20% and 30%. So your book market price of your book was 1,000. If you are given a 20% discount, 20% discount, it means 1 minus 20 divided by 100. That will be what? 1,000 multiplied. This is how you give discount into 20% discount. The remaining will be 80%. That will be what? 800 rupees. Right? So the next discount will be on 800. Okay. So next discount is 30%, right? So you will do, what you will do? 800 multiplied. Or just 800 multiplied 30%. So 1 minus 30 divided by 100. What you will do? This will be your 800. 1 minus 30 upon 100 is your 70 upon 100. That is 560. Right? This is what successive discount means. Successive discount is discount offer on the discount. Discount offered on discount. Like what compound interest is? Compound interest is interest on interest. Like the same way, your discount is what? Your successive discount is discount offered on another discount, right? So let us study the formula or do the question, right? In a store, the successive discount offer on a bag are 10% discount and 20% discount were offered. The store price is basically what? The market price of the bag is this much, 570. Calculate the selling price. So discount will always be offered on your market price. Market price multiplied your discounted percent. So what you will do, that your 570 was your market price, right? One discount was given, 1 minus 10 upon 100, right? Then again a discount will be offered on that price, that is 1 minus 20 upon 100. That will be your selling price. So basically your selling price will be what? 570 multiplied. 1 minus 10 upon 100 is 90 upon 100 multiplied what? 80 upon. So basically your 570 multiplied 90 upon 100 and multiplied 80 upon 100. Just do the calculation, guys. 41, that will be give, this will give you 410.4 dollar. Okay, this is what successive discount means, right? We'll drive a form. We'll do. I will give you a formula also. Just then it will be much easy to solve, right? This is how we do. This is how we do. So yeah, 570 into 90 into 80. So this is what we have done. Okay, so the solution has been done by formula. So I'm just writing here successive discount of X% and Y%. If 2% is successive discount of X and Y% will be there, then just do X plus Y minus XY upon 100. This is what a single discount of these two discount, right? Why we have done this? There is a reason behind it. Suppose in the same question, what you have done? You have done 570 multiply 8 times is 72. 8 times is 72. This is what you have done. 570 into 72 100, right or not? Yeah. So what 72 defines here? It is just equivalent to what? It is just equivalent to your 28% discount or not. Let us just assume that if 570 was your market price and if 28% was your discount, how will you do? You will do just 1 minus 28 by 100. That is the same. That is the same 570 into 72 by 100. Right or not? That is the same. So this is your 28%. What is 28%? 28% is single discount. Single, don't do single, it's final discount. So final discount of 10 and 20 is what? You can write here. Final discount of 10% and 20% is 28%. Right or not? 28%. And how we have done? This is how we do. This is how we do. Just write 10 plus FY is 20 minus 10 into 20, sorry, 10 into 20 later. 10 into 20 divided by 100. This is what? 10 plus 20, 30 minus 200 by 100. 200 by 100 is what? 2 and 30 minus 2 is what? 28. So the successive discount of your 10% and 20% is equal to what? Is equal to a single discount of 28%. So 570 was your market price and 28% discount, it means will multiply it by 72 by 100. Right or not? Or just write 570 1 minus 28 by 100. You will get the same result. Okay. So you will get 410.4. Right? This much dollar you will have to spend. Right? So yeah, guys, let us look at this, right? We have taken example, right? Your 1,000 was your market price and successful discount were given of 20% and 30%. What was your final result? Your final result was 560, right? So your 20% and 30%, just we can do by this formula. Yeah, the final discount of 20%, 30% will be what? 20 plus 30 minus 20 into 30 by 100. 20 and 30 is 50. 50 minus 6 will be what? 44. 44% of discount will be there. 44% discount will be there. It means 1,000 multiplied 1 minus 44 by 100. You will get what? You will get 560. Right, guys? This is what successful discount means. Either do separately, uh, right, or just go by the formula, right? By formula, you will get just your two discount or three discount. Your two discount will just by formula they will just make your final discount. Okay, I think you have got the point. We'll do question later on, guys. So concept of multiplying factor for growth and decay related problem. You know what growth will be growth if something is saying that you have growth was there. Suppose your 500, let's think again. Suppose your item cost 500 and you have said that its growth rate percentage is growth rate percentage is 10%. Growth, or you can say growth rate is what? 10%. It means its value will increase. And if say decay rate is 20%, it means its value will decrease, right or not? Suppose 500 was there, 500 was there. If its growth rate is 10%, it means it will just 1 plus 10 upon 100, right or not? So 500, 1 plus 10 upon 100 will be what? 110 upon 100. This will be what? 550, right or not? Second point, your item was 500 and decay rate is 20. So in decay rate, it means its value decrease, it means 20 by 100. So it is what? 500 into 80 by 100. This is what? 400, right? This is what means by growth rate and decay rate. If you decay rates, I think you got the point. In case of decay, just minus will be there. In case of growth rate, addition will be there. Okay. If you are given that you 1.345 is your growth factor. Why I am saying that it is growth factor? Because it is greater than 1. Your growth factor is greater than 1, and decay factor is less than 1. So in first question, it is given 1.345 is your, basically your factor is 1 plus r upon 100. Factor 1 plus minus r upon 100, right? If you do plus, it means growth factor. If you do minus, it means decay factor. And if it is greater than 1, it means your growth factor is given. If it is less than 1, it means your decay factor is given. So basically 1.345 was given. You were required to find out whether this has growth or decay, right? So basically, yeah, right. So 1.345, it means it is greater than 1. So it means it will have what? It will have growth. So which will be equal to 1 plus r upon 100, right? So if we do calculation, you r by 100 will be equal to what? 0.345. So basically, your r will be 33.45. Sorry, 34.5, right? Uh, just calculate what whether growth or decay factor. In this case, decay will be there because it is less than 1. And what will be the rate? Your rate will be 22%, right? In this case, growth will be there and rate will be 50%. I'm solving B. The C is solved as your C is solved as just A1, right? So I'm solving B. It is given as 0.88. It is less than 1. So it means it is have decay. And what decay factor is? 1 minus R upon 100. So basically R upon 100 will be what? 1 minus 0.88. 1 minus 0.88 is what? 0.22 R upon 100. So basically your rate will be what? 22%. Guys, this is what your rate and your decay factors are, right? I think you got the point. So yeah, guys, questions are there. Questions are there for you for your practice. Questions are there for you. Guys, first do these questions by yourself, then see the solution, how I am doing. Okay. So the store price of a t-shirt was given. Store price basically means what? Basically means market price. And successive discount offered by the store is 30% and 50%. It means two discount percentage is given, 30% to 50%. Calculate the total discount offered by the store. Also calculate the selling price of the t-shirt. So yeah, guys, market price were given. What? 950. First, we are doing a normal method. How we solve it, right? So 950 and two discounts were given. One was given of 30%. It means 1 minus 30 divided by 100. Second is 50%. So 1 minus 50 divided by 100 because discounts are there. So this is what your selling price will be. So selling price will be 950 multiplied. 1 minus 30 upon 100 will be what? 70 upon 100. 1 minus 50 upon 100 will be what? 50 upon 100. 7 5 ja 35 guys. 7 5 ja 35. And if you just do the calculation, with 0 will cancel out and you will be for what? The answer will be 332.5 rupees. This will be your final selling price. Okay. So if you know how the formula means or how we use the formula, basically we have done 950 into 35 by 100. 35 by 100, it means that discount will be, your final discount will be what? 65%. How? Just look at the formula. X plus y minus xy divided by 100. X is your 30, y is your 50, minus x into y, 30 into 50. 50 plus 30 will be 80, minus, then this will be 15. 80 minus 15 will be what? 55%. Right, guys? This is what, if we go by formula, this is how we solve it. So yeah, so in this question, your total discount, if you talk about discount, discount percentage will be what? Just write final discount percentage. Total discount was asked, so you can easily just do MP minus CP. You will get your total discount. We are calculating final discount percentage will be what? 65%. And your selling price is what? Selling price will be 332.5 rupees. Right? This is what? The desired result. So yeah, next question is successful discount. So here three discounts were given. Three discounts were given. 5%, 10%, 15%. Store price is basically what? Your market price. Market price was $1,000. Calculate the overall discount and selling price. Guys, market price was given. Question number two. Market price was given what? 1,000 rupees. And successful discount of what? Discounts were given 10%, 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, and 15. These were the discounts given. Okay. So how do you do? Just write 1000. First discount is 5%. So 1 minus 5 upon 100. Second discount is 10%. So 1 minus 10 upon 100. Third is 15%. So 1 minus 15 upon. We are doing by normal method. Okay. This is what your selling price will be. So basically, your selling price will be 1000. 1 minus 5 upon 100 is 95 by 100. 1 minus 10 upon 100 is what? 90 upon 100. 1 minus 15 upon 100 is 85 upon. If you just do the calculation, you will get your value 726.75 of selling price. Just do the calculation. Okay. This is how we do. Guys, you know the formula of if two discounts were given, then final discount will be x plus 5 minus 5 upon 100. But in this case, 10%, 5%, and 15%. Three discounts were given. Just make just calculate the final discount of these 2%. So this will be what? 5 plus 10 minus 50 upon 100. 5 plus 10 is 15 minus 50 upon 100 is 0.5. That is 14.5. So basically 10 and 15 just become 14.5 and again 15%. Now calculate the final discount of these 2%. Okay, this is how you solve three discounts. So it will be a long method. Again, you have to do 14.5 plus 15 minus 14.5 into 15 upon 100, right? If I just solve this, this is how we, this is what you will get. 14.5 and 15 will be 29.5. Okay, and 14.5 multiplied 15. So you will get minus 2.175, right? And if you subtract it from 29.5, 29.5 minus 2.175, that will be what? That will be 27.325 final percentage. Okay, guys. So this is what your final percentage. If your formula becomes a long method when several discounts were given, right? So it is better to use this one, normal method. Just make the MP and calculate the successive discount, right, guys? So this is what about chapter, guys. This is what we have studied. MP, SP. This is what comparing quantities means, right? Compare the quantities. Okay. So yeah, guys. I think the chapter is we have covered the chapter, but we have only covered the chapter. Now it's up to you how many questions you do, and I will just tell you that keep learning from askIITians, and try to do as many as questions you can do, right? So do your reference work, do your NCERT work. So yeah, thank you guys.